Hello, folks. How are we doing? I am back. I am playing Sons of the Forest. And this is the first video that I'm going to hopefully post. Somehow I lost some goddamn armor after finishing the game. Wait. Get out of that. Get out of it. Fine. So you're going to get to see fine. Show them that. Awesome. Thank you for wasting my time. Get away from my goddamn thing. Oh, did we get one? Oh, we did. Where are you going? Come on back here. Oh, that was clever. Okay, well, more bones, I guess. More bones for Scotty. This fire has never gone out, by the way. You guys got to use these fires because they don't go out. Apparently. What, are you going to eat him? He is eating him. Oh my god. It's a damn cannibal. What the fuck? Kelvin, thought I taught you better than that. So I put these traps up, and apparently they're working very nicely. I need another damn bone basket. Oh shit. I tripped one here but didn't die. Huh. Excuse me. So, let's see. I finished the game 21 days in. I'm now 34 days in. Sorry. And let's see. Yeah, I can't. I have no more room for folks. Sorry. Thought I would do something fun. I got all these things of bones. I have no need for any of them. Chairs and chandeliers is basically all you can make with bones. 5 more feathers. So, let's try this again. Get him to stay here if I can before we get attacked. And I am going to try something that I haven't tried yet. Because all my armor is gone. Get How much tape do I have? 42. Nah, fuck it. Put that on. And that on. Sorry about this delay, folks. You never know in this game when a hunting party is going to happen upon your hovel. So you have to be ready. You have to be prepared as possible. Which, as you can see, I kind of am. I could have whipped out the shotgun on him. But I didn't. Oh, I'll get back to where we were. That's good enough. Alright. Let me run in and save real quick, because I'm about to do, I don't know how it's going to end. Anyway, when I finished the game, she was gone. She never came back. And someone said that's a glitch. We're going to try something. Just for the fun of it. And I don't know how this is going to work. And I will probably die. I am building, by the way. Look at this view. I'm going to build a big old house up here. Big old custom house up here. Looking down over the valley. I'm going to call it the Ponderosa. Okay. Sun is up. It is a beautiful day. We're going to go for a little walk. Why is it not cold? Oh shit. No, I guess it's still winter. Maybe because I just ate. I figured since I'm up in this cold area, I might as well try to take advantage of something that's here. Even though it's probably very foolish. But I thought, like most foolish things, it might be fun. So, I had to run all the way across the other map, since there's no fast travel, and make something. Something that I thought was going to be pretty fucking useless when I first came across that 3D printer. Turns out, it might not be. Anybody here know what I'm about to do? Yes, I miss Virginia. She's glitched out and gone. I found the last video of her. Perfect spot. Perfect spot. I found the last video of her. Look at this. I found the last video of her, and she was happy. End of the 10th fucking episode. But for some reason, she's just gone. What do you guys think I got? What would you do way up here? That's right. We're going sledding. That did absolutely nothing. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. And I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards. Ha! Going the wrong way. Help me, Jesus. Backwards. Alright. Alright, I just gotta find the right hill. Hang on a second. Backwards. Alright, it's alright. It's like you turn into a pinball machine ball. Alright, something tells me I'm not going backwards down that. Alright. Here we go. Try it again. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, I got sky, I got air, I got big air. Oh no! Ah! That was fun. That was kind of fun. I didn't make it all the way down. I should put a stick down there, so I know how far down I made it. That's the farthest I've made it so far. Am I injured at all? No. I wonder if you can get injured sitting on this. There was a time in the original game, The Forest, where if you wanted to get down into the sinkhole, all you had to do was get your turtle shell and sled off the fucking edge, and you would literally bounce on the ground below, and you wouldn't take any damage. It was a little exploit we used back in the day. I don't know, does that look more formidable? I think there was one on the other side. Just a straight fucking... This is the pro fucking slope right here. I don't know, is it? I don't know. I don't know. Let's find out. The pro slopes. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh! That was massive air. Oh. Oh, bouncing off the trees like a pinball. Bam! Oh no! Okay, that's got to be the record right there. That's got to be the record. Well, there you go. There you go. Okay, gotta go cough. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.